Hello everyone, welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we are going to learn a harem pant. So first I just fold my fabric in 4/4. I'm also showing on the paper how I just fold my fabric, and the width is required more, so make sure your fabric is wider, and length is 30 plus 3. Actually my total length is 38 for this pants, and I minus the 8-inch belt because belt will also attach here. So after that I just mark here the hemline, and after that I just mark the 14 inches cross, that is from down towards up. Normally in pants crotch is from the up to down, but here from down to upside I just mark 14. And now I'm marking the waistline, that is 40 is my hip, and I just divide it by 4 and add the 6-inch for the loose, so 16 is this line. So after marking all these lines, I'm just going to make here a curve shape, and this is the crotch, and all seam allowances are included because it's a loose type of pants. So after that also I will show you how you can attach the belt and how you can insert elastic in the hem. So just cut it. And guys, I already uploaded a detailed tutorial of 3 different style of harem pant. There are 3 different style of cutting, and you can check in my playlist, and also the other type of bottoms you can check in my playlist. And if you are first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video is useful for you, please hit the thumbs up button. So I'm just now cutting the 2 separate, so just to give it a separate portion. So now it's time for the belt. So as my waist hip is 40, so my belt is 20-inch is wider, and lengthwise it's 10 inches because 8 inches our belt and 2 inches for the folding for elastic. Hope you understand. Now it's time to stitch. First I will stitch this upside part of the crotch area, and you need to place the right side of the fabric on the right side, and after stitching, see, just stitch this line. So guys, I just stitched this crotch area, and you can just move it like this way, and now you can see this is something pants like shape is here. Now it's time to stitch these legs. First you start from the down and end in the middle, and then again start from down and end in the middle, so that your both legs will be equal. So that's how you have to stitch. And also stitch the belt from this line. This is our center of our belt, so you can see there is another line, but don't worry about that because my fabric was less, so I just make some joint here. So anyways guys, now it's time to attach belt with your pants. So first is center. Just attach the center with the center with the help of a pin, and see, just mark the sides of your belt and side of your bottom. Now attach side with the side and attach a pin, and after that the in between fabric, this fabric you need to make the pleats here, and make sure they are even and nicely pin up it so that while you are stitching it will be easy for you. Now as you can see, the belt is attached and just you need to stitch just to make it flat. So just stitch like here and also fold it from here and stitch this way to put the elastic. And for the hemline, you can leave it as it is, or otherwise I'm just inserting elastic here. For that you need less wider fabric, and then just fold it like this way and stitch it and just leave some space to insert the elastic. This is the easy way to put the elastic, especially for beginners. So after stitching this I will show you how you can insert the elastic, and also stitch the belt part for the elastic. So guys, this is the final look of our harem pant. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and also I will share the more styles of harem pant. There are different style of cutting, and for that please subscribe so you will get notification, and if you like, please thumbs up. Thank you for watching.